Alrighty, so out here on the lake, we have the Atwood ski mirror. This is on a Bayliner Element 2018. It fits perfect, it swivels. You can use it for tubing, wakeboarding, whatever you want. We used it today, it worked out really well. It's usually only me and my wife, so we don't have a spotter. So in Missouri, we have to have a 7x8 mirror, or a 7x10 mirror, I don't remember. But this meets the standard. I'm gonna pull it off and I will show you how it works. So what I really like about this mirror is you can physically adjust the clamps and you can move them in and out based off of your windshield. I believe I will show the front cover of the packaging, and I believe it says up to 2.5 inches is what it'll reach, and I'll put that in right here. And then these also swivel left and right. They tighten, they have really good grips. And the mirror actually will rotate 180 degrees. You can simply push in and turn, if I can get it. So you can sit there and up and turn it like that. So it can adjust many ways. You can tighten it. It's on a ball, so you can adjust this way. And as I said, on the Element, no scratches, fits perfect. It's real thin, so you can literally slide it on, tighten, tighten, make sure these are tight. The mirror goes up and looks back. Here's the final shot. Mirror, awesome. It's actually bowed, so you get a wider angle view. Clips on the windshield, it's sturdy. I have zero complaints. It works great. Hopefully we get some wakeboarding in and we'll get some other shots for you in the future. But as of right now, that's the Atwood ski mirror, and we'll see you in the next one.